Hello everyone, this side Pankaj Dhawan, Artistic Soul co-founder. So today we have Karthik from Jhansi. Hi Karthik.
Hello.
So Karthik, over to you.
Hello friends. My name is Karthikeya Sehjwani and I am from Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. I was looking for a vacation and I was scrolling through my Facebook account and I came across a post on a group called Best Homestays in India, and I found about the Artistic Soul on that page, and I contacted through the details provided in that post, and I planned my visit. From Delhi, I took a bus at night 9 p.m. which dropped me to the nearest market, Baswada, in the morning 7 a.m. and from there local villagers guided me to the homestay, which is very much accessible, and the roads were very good, and the view and the beauty of the mountains was on its peak. From this homestay you can easily see the Himalayan view, and the peaks which are easily seen are Chaukhamba peaks. We are very near to Kedarnath temple. I am basically from a business family and I have my business in Jhansi, and I also deal in share markets. When I reached here, I found the net connectivity is very good, which was a very plus point for travelers. And here we can easily see the mountain view from the homestay. We can see Chaukhamba Peak, and from where we are staying, we are approximately 60 to 70 kilometers from Kedarnath temple, which is very good. And there is also Tungnath trek, which is 40 kilometers away. I found the homestay very comfortable, and the bathrooms and the entire homestay is very clean, and the kitchen facilities are very hygienic. The food provided is very basic and organic, and it is locally prepared with by the locals, and the taste is very good. The policies of this homestay, which includes there can be no intoxication like smoking and drinking, which is also very good for solo travelers. And while I am here, I have few other guests. Few female solo travelers are also here, which are accompanying me, and they are feeling very safe here. So the overall experience was very nice. Apart from this, the travelers are also help the NGO with the nearest government school. They help them in the curriculum activities and provide these underprivileged children with various activities, and they help in their day-to-day syllabus. The children also help us in trekking the nearest mountains for a forest village walk. I have already stayed here for a week, and I am planning to come here again. Thank you.